In this video, I will show you how to send money from the USA to Ghana. So to do this, I would use Remitly, because Remitly has very good exchange rates, no fees on your first transfer, and overall, in my opinion, it's the best service for transferring money internationally. So if you want to use Remitly, you can just go to remitly.com, set your country to the United States, and where it says to, go and click on it, and then just type in Ghana. From there, you can enter how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll do $60 and click on Get This Rate. Now here you will need to create an account if you don't have one yet, but it's very simple. You just need an email and password, and then you have created your account. After doing that, go and click on Send Money, and then here make sure the amount is correct, and then click on Continue. Then from there, you can choose how you want the money to be delivered to your recipient in Ghana. So they have mobile money, bank deposit, cash pickup, or a debit card deposit, and in this video I'll use mobile money. So then, depending on the method that you picked, you will need to enter some details. For example, for mobile money you need to select which wallet they use, so I'll use Vodafone. Then just enter their name. And from there, if you selected mobile money, you will need to enter their phone number, but again for bank account, for example, you will need to enter their bank account details. Then after doing that, if it's your first transfer, you will need to add some details about yourself, such as your name and address, and then you can again select your payment method. So I'll use a card, then click Continue, and then here you can enter your card details. It can be debit or credit card, and then just click on Review Details after adding your payment method, and then you have an overview of all the transfer details. Make sure all of it is correct, and if it is, go and confirm the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Ghana. So now you know how to transfer money from the USA to Ghana. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.